Hello, this is Rhonda Schaefer and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about Discover Affiliate Marketing Made Simple to help you earn a full-time income with part-time hours. If you have not been here before, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget the notification bell so you're notified when I post content for you or go live. Are you sick and tired of losing sleep over bills, fatigue, lack of resources, and feel like you're spinning your wheels? Well, believe it or not, I know exactly how you probably feel right now. Actually, before finding what I'm about to share with you today, I was completely and totally stuck, confused, and overwhelmed when it came to how to make money online. Bouncing from one program to the next, always in search of that elusive missing piece of the puzzle that I could not seem to find. I was constantly spinning my wheels, never seeing any real traction with anything, and always seeming to go further and further towards the wrong direction with my online efforts. Maybe you can relate. At the worst, I managed to get laid off during a recession from my favorite job ever. The company was sold and eventually the location was closed. A limo took me home, then left me there to fend for myself, abandoned and in a remote area with no transportation. As the never give up, resilient person that I am, there was no choice but to keep pressing forward. That was before I found this revolutionary new method that you're about to discover that completely changed my life forever. Since stumbling upon it, everything is completely changed. And today I want to share the exact same thing that changed my life with you. There are no contracts or hidden fees topped off with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Go ahead and check out the information below right now for a straight line to success and living a life of your own making. This is Rhonda Schaefer, and I want to thank you so much for stopping by to hear about affiliate marketing made simple. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Good day.